Well, I put my JB weld fix down there, and basically I think that that's going to harden, and as a result of it hardening, I don't think that there's any way that that's going to pull off. I think it's going to bond to the power steering pump and the tube itself. I think because of the tube I got in there and the glue, that tube is going to hold in place. I think I got a good flow, and it's going to work just like that hydraulic line on the other end, and just like that hydraulic end right there. It's going to work just like that. It's going to hold that together, and I really doubt that I'm going to have any trouble out of that connection. You know, I really believe that that's going to work very, very well. So we'll let it dry, and then we'll see the result. All right.